Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg, Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, and an issue that is frequently discussed in our initial meetings with new clients are what type of damages, what type of benefits is an injured worker entitled to under the Alabama Work Comp Act. And unfortunately, the way the Comp Act is currently written, many types of damages that you could receive in, say, a personal injury case like a car wreck are not available, and they're specifically carved out of the work comp laws that injured workers cannot receive, such as pain and suffering, mental anguish, emotional distress, punitive damages, and the like. None of those are available to an injured worker in a workers' compensation case. There are really four categories of what an injured worker is entitled to. What they are entitled to in a proper claim that's accepted or ordered by a court would be medical care for life, paid for 100%, for those injuries that are related to the claim. And there's a lot more to it than just that, but in its general terms, general sense, that's prescriptions, that's physical therapy, surgeries, conservative care, whatever it may be, so long as the doctor's of the opinion that it's related. Secondly, mileage reimbursement to and from the injured worker's house to any authorized treating prior approved visits. Compensation. There are really two times that an injured worker can be compensated. One is during what I call the healing process. That's when they're being treated and the doctor has either taken them off of work entirely, or if the doctor has returned them to work in some lighter capacity, but the employer cannot accommodate. Weekly comp benefits will be paid then. And then after the injured worker reaches maximum medical improvement and is rated, etc., they'll have a permanent impairment rating, and that will equate to a certain dollar amount. And then that leads me to the fourth area of benefits under the Work Comp Act, and that's vocational disability or vocational retraining. If a person has a body as a whole injury, or if they have a scheduled member injury that's combined with some other things that make it into the equivalent of a body as a whole, and they can't go back to earning the same kind of money that they were earning before they got hurt or the same type of job, they may be entitled to either vocational retraining or vocational disability benefits. And there's a lot more to each of these subjects, but if this is your situation, we'd be glad to talk to you. We deal with this all the time. 205-930 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com on the web. We can also be found on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.